Welcome, Arief. Welcome, Ammara. Welcome to this session.
Welcome.
So, before we get into discussion, I want to highlight quickly on two important things. So, Arief comes from Bank Indonesia, and last year with Bank BSI, we had a program which we are running right now, and that involves upgrading, and it's an important piece, upgrading them from R10 to R24, right? And please note, we are moving from legacy modules to AA now, okay? And the model bank approach. So that is the key message here. Bank has taken a decision to stop using LD to new customers and offer the new set of products using our arrangement architecture. So they've taken this journey with us. And from systems, I'll introduce Ammara. So for people who are not aware, Systems is Temenos partner since last 24 years. They have a stellar experience in delivering Temenos products right across Middle East and North Africa, and they are now growing rapidly in ASEAN. And last year we got into partnership with Systems, and Systems now is partnering with Temenos to deliver. So for 6 key countries, I'm not going into the details, they are partnering with us in delivering the product, the Temenos systems in these countries. Now, I want to first go to Arief. Arief, we talked about how Islamic banking is growing and how the customer experience is changing. So, when you took this project last year, what was the long-term and the long-term strategy you had in mind to what you wanted to achieve, and what value you see in Temenos solution that and through Systems, what we deliver for you?
Yeah, maybe I will tell about the last year.
Yeah.
Why I decision about the we continues to using the Temenos solution, and then we upgrade R10 and then R24.
Yeah.
We start with the merger in 2021 with the 3 legacy bank, BNI Syariah, Mandiri Syariah, and then BR Syariah. So after we established this February 2021, we start with the 50 million account.
Let's note the volumes, 50 million accounts on Temenos platform.
Yeah, we are using the legacy from the BSM. BSM is a Bank Syariah Mandiri. Existing, they have only 5 million account. Okay. So I think this is the big challenge for us, because after the merger, BSI have the roadmap. In 2025, we have the 14 million customer. And then we have become a top 10 global Islamic bank, and then we already achieved top 10 Islamic global bank in 2024, so faster from the 2025. And then we have something like the roadmap in 2033 is 60 million customers. So after we have the roadmap, so we have the 3 strategy. Number 1 is the core modernization. We have the modernization about the core transformation. We talk a lot about the solution about the Temenos, maybe set visit to the Chennai, and then how the Temenos had a continuous improvement. They have the lab, something like that, and then because right now we're using the R10, we have something like the big issue is the locking. Yep. Locking about the account, because we need the faster about the transaction, because our low transaction right now for our mobile banking is about around 2 million per day. So we need the upgrade by our R10 to the R24. Yep. So the second is we adopt about the modern technology, cloud, microservices. And then the third is we build new capabilities. For example, right now we have already have our new mobile banking running on the cloud. I think this is the first time bank in Indonesia mobile banking running in the cloud.
Running on the cloud.
So this is maybe next month or 2 months from now, maybe we have the launching. That's it.
Thanks, Pa. So this now brings us, so Ammara, would you like to trace your journey, partnership with Temenos, and
Yes.
and then maybe finishing towards the BSI partnership we have?
Yes, thank you, Rahul.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So Systems is a global system integrator, and we have been working with banks, for the last 25 years. And our relationship with Temenos has also been that long. So for last 25 years, we are working with the Temenos teams since the beginning of the first release, which was called Globus. And now, of course, every year, many customers, we migrate to the new releases, and many new customers come on to Temenos. So our teams get, experienced in the various Temenos products and the Temenos releases. We have a very good Islamic banking experience and expertise, just because, we are coming from the Middle East, Africa region. And there is a lot of concentration of Islamic banking. And of course, in ASEAN, also the countries where there is a large concentration of Islamic banking, we are very much, working in those countries as well.
So Ammara, my next question again to you. So while you are expanding in ASEAN, what will be the 2 key messages you want to give to our audience today? Like 2 top things from your side, which makes them, the right word would be, which gives them the confidence that while they have a Temenos platform, how system is going to add value to it and deliver that successfully.
Yes. So one of the key things in the partnership that we have with Temenos is that we have committed to build the country model banks for Temenos. For the countries that are there. So there are 12 countries where we are building country model banks, and one of them is Indonesia. And what the country model bank does is basically captures the regulatory frameworks and the local industry practices that are there on top of the processes that bank is building as part of a core banking implementation. And of course, the regulator is also coming up with new innovations from time to time on the product side and the services for banks, and also on the compliances side. So we are on top of those and providing those solutions to the banking industry. I think the other part is also because we have more than 9,000 people as part of our company, out of which 1,000 have the banking domain knowledge. And what we try to do is go deep with each customer. So when we start working, then we are building on the services related to the Temenos products. But then we are also bringing a lot of other innovations on the AI side. We are also building a lot of other innovations on the digital side related to origination, related to the digital customer onboarding, and we are on top of the trends which are happening in banking as well.
Thanks, Ammara. So, Arief, my last question, being cognizant of the time. So, if you have to just talk about the partnership with Temenos quickly, what will be your closing remarks be? And you want to talk to audience about the Temenos, how we are delivering value through you to your customers.
Yeah, I propose talk about the Temenos site visit in Chennai. So every level in Temenos people in there, and then how they develop and how they have something that the continuous improvement with the performance, because they something like they one way to improve your system is how we can estimate about the performance level. So I think after we site visit to the Chennai, we have something like we confident, because we want to be the partner is not only the one time. because we have something like the partner is something like the journey, because BSI have the roadmap, not for 1 year, not for 3 years, but for 5 years. Now we have something like the target in 2033. So how we can partner with the Temenos, because the product cannot stop develop now, because we have something like the continue to the Temenos, then Temenos is our partners.
Exactly, Pastor. It's all a journey, and I think we have a best partnership in form of Temenos, BSI, and Systems. And this is one such example. We have such wonderful examples all across the globe through our partners, through the banks, and how we continue to deliver the values to our customers.